Okay guys, so in this video we are going to discuss about lists in Python. Okay, so first of all, let me show you that what are lists. Let me show you what are lists. Yeah, list is something which can hold a collection of items. Okay, let's say we know variables in Python, so variables can store a particular data, like we can store age, someone's age, someone name, or something like that. Okay, but we can store only one thing into that variable. Okay, but list is a type of variable which can store a collection of items. Let's say you want to store all the name of the student in your class into a list, into something, then we can use list. List can store all the name of the students in your class, maybe all the name of your friends or something like that. Means list can store, in a simple word, list can store a collection of items. Okay, like anybody's name, age, data, something like that. So list can store the data. It's a type of data structure provided in the Python. Okay, so next we are going to know that what are some of the operations that we can perform in the lists. Okay, so operations that we can perform in the list. So here are they. First one is append. Number two is remove. I'm going to discuss that one by one. Okay, so have patience. Number three is insert. Number four is something like what are they? Yeah, copy. You can copy list also. Now, first append. Append. What is append? Append adds a new element into the list. If you want to add some element into the list, then we can use append. Okay, then remove, as the name suggests, it removes a element it removes the desired element. Sorry, it removes the desired element, the element which you want to remove. It can remove that element from the list. Insert, it can insert an element at a desired position in which you want to insert, like in the first position, the second position, the middle one, the position in which you want to desire to insert item into the list. You can insert that. And copy makes the similar copy of that list. Okay, so things will become more clear when I write the code. So let us write the code. Okay, so first let me show you how to declare a list. You can name it anything. I am naming it list. You can name anything. Okay, like cartoons. I am naming it at cartoons. Okay, cartoons is equal to this, and we have declared one list. Now you can also add element here also, like Bob the Builder, Noddy, Doraemon, Shinchan. There are some kind of cartoon we assigned them there. We can assign it like that. But if you want to add one more into that list, then we need to use append. Like we want to add Dragon Ball Z into that, so we can use cartoons dot append dragon ball G. Next, save that and we can print that. Print cartoons before appending and after appending. Now we can run that here. Before appending it was like this. After appending it adds one more element, which is Dragon Ball Z, into that. Okay, so now we can know that how to append an element into that. Okay, next, how to remove a certain element from the list. Okay, let's say you want to remove Bob the Builder from that list. So what you got to do, cartoons dot remove, and then the name of the item which you want to remove, like this one here. In this case we want to remove this one, so we can simply copy that and paste that. After that we can print that to verify whether it is deleted or not. Print cartoons, and then if you save that, we can see after that it is deleted. If you can remove that, all those, now you can see after that here you can see deleted. Drag a Bob the Builder is deleted from here. Okay, from this one. Okay, so now we got to know that how to use the remove. Next, insert. Before discussing about insert, let me talk to something about indices. So okay, how to know the position of any element in the list. For that, the first one is considered as 0th position, second one is 1th first, then 2, then 3. List generally starts from 0. Okay, then we can say that Bob the Builder is at 0th position, Noddy is at 1 position, Doraemon is at 2 position. Like that, we use positions in the list. Okay, so if you want to add a certain element on a certain position, like we want to add a new cartoon called Dragon Ball Z. Here we have appended it. Now if you want to add that Dragon Ball Z here, add 0 indices, means here, means first should be Dragon Ball Z. Then what we got to do, uh, cartoons dot insert. At the 0th position we want to insert, then we can name the cartoon like Dragon Ball Z. Now we can save that, and then I can see at the 0th position Dragon Ball Z is stored. Okay, so we can insert any item at any indices using this one. Okay, and it's quite simple. Okay, now how do we can access random anyone from here, like we want to access second indices, like whatever there in the second indices, I want to print that. So what we got to do, we got to use something like this square bracket. Okay, let's say we want to print the second indices of this cartoon, means 0 1 2, means we want to print Doraemon, but I will print that using the indices like 0 1 2, want to print that using the indices. So what we got to do, we simply have to use square brackets here and mention the indices like 2. I want to print any item which is there at the indices 2, I want to print that. So then we can use cartoons in the square bracket, I can use 2, and then if we run that, now we can see here it is Doraemon, it's printed at indices 2 0 1 2. Done. Next, so now we can, copy. How to use copy, means let's say want to make a copy of this cartoons. Okay. um, so what we got to do, like copy cartoon, then we got to use cartoons dot copy. That's it. Now in this variable, the copy of this list is created. Okay, then we can print that, print copy cartoon. Can save that. We can see the exactly same copy is being created. You can see same this like this copy is created. Okay, and now in the copy cartoon we want to add some more element, then we can add like this, append something like Dragon Ball G. Okay, and then we can print again, then that Dragon Ball Z will be appended in that copy cartoon. Print copy cartoon, and then you can save that, and then you can see the Dragon Ball Z is appended here. Okay, so this is how array works, list works. So we got the point. You can dig into documentation and search more for that. You will find out more methods using lists. Uh, so that's it for this video. If you like this video, do hit a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.